In this video, we'll be talking about the last 25 years of the Nigerian economy and the possible practices that will help the Nigerian economy as a whole. And with that being said, let's begin. The year 1999 was a pivotal year for Nigeria. We had just transitioned to a democratic government after years of military rule by General Sani Abacha. The Nigerian Naira was valued at around 90 Naira to $1 at that particular time. This exchange rate, while not ideal, was still manageable for Nigeria. Moving into the early 2000s, the Nigerian economy benefited from the rising global oil prices. As one of Africa's largest oil producers, Nigeria saw increased revenue. However, our heavy reliance on oil sets the stage for future challenges. Instead of diversifying, we doubled down on oil, making us vulnerable to price fluctuations. Corruption was another major issue. Despite the wealth from oil, much of it was siphoned off through corrupt practices. This led to poor infrastructure and services, leaving many Nigerians without benefits of our natural resources. Then came the global financial crisis of 2008. Oil prices dropped sharply and Nigerian economy was hit hard. Nigeria. The Nigerian Naira depreciated, and by the 2010s, it was really clear that significant economy reforms were needed. High unemployment rate, especially amongst the youth, and persistent inflation further ruined the Nigerian economy. Insecurity like Boko Haram insurgency and rising banditry disrupted Nigerian economy activities. Fast forward to today, the Nigerian Naira has broken the 1,000 Naira to $1 price mark and is sitting pretty at that 1,500 Naira price mark to $1, which is not really good for the economy. This steep devaluation reflects deeper economic issues, including poor policy decisions, lack of diversification, and continued corruption. But the story doesn't end yet. Despite these challenges, Nigerians are resilient. We see countless examples of innovations, entrepreneurship, and community efforts aimed at improving our economy. From supporting local businesses to advocating for better governance, citizens are really making a difference. One really powerful way to help is by supporting local businesses. When we buy and promote locally made products, we are not just helping individuals or individual businesses, but we are creating jobs, boosting our domestic industries, and reducing reliance on imports. So next time you're shopping, please think local. Entrepreneurship is another key tool. Starting and supporting small or middle-sized entrepreneurs or SMEs drives innovations and creates employment, plus it diversifies our economy, making us less vulnerable and dependent on oil. Investing in education and skills development is crucial. By acquiring new skills and improving our knowledge, we become more employable and productive. Support vocational training programs, seek mentorships, and never stop learning. Let's not forget agriculture. Engaging and supporting agricultural activities can enhance our economy and food security, reduce imports, and promote rural development. Modern farming techniques and agribusiness initiatives can transform this sector. Accountability is key. As citizens, we need to hold public officials accountable and demand transparency. Civic engagement and advocacy can go a long way in fighting corruption and ensuring that our resources are used effectively. Protecting our environment through sustainable practices ensures the long-term health of our natural resources, which are really vital for our economy. Simple acts like proper waste disposals and tree planting can make a big difference. Improving financial literacy helps us make better financial decisions and manage our resources effectively. You see, when we understand money management, we are more likely to contribute to the economic stability. Embracing technology is another game changer. Investing in tech enhances productivity, creates new business opportunities, and improves efficiency across various sectors. Advocating for policy reforms can create a more favorable economic climate. Engage with policy makers, participate in discussions, and push for the changes we need. In summary, the importance of diversifying our economy and investing in sustainable development cannot be overstated. If we come together and create meaningful steps, we can turn the tide and create a brighter future for Nigeria. I guess that's it for this particular video. If you love what we did here, or if you love this particular channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. You can also share it with your friends so they can be more educated about the Nigerian economy and how we can improve it ourselves. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.